Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are at the Fairfield by Marriott Salt Lake City Hotel here in Layton, Utah. I wanted to give you a peek at this room because these are always a great choice if you're traveling, especially with kids, because they offer a wonderful breakfast, a hotel pool, really clean rooms, nice staff. Anyway, one of our favorites. I wanted to give you a peek at what this property looks like here in Layton, Utah. So as you can see, really nice layout. They have everything. One thing we liked about the television is that you can log into your Netflix account so you can watch movies and everything here right from the room. You've got your desk area. Then another thing that we really appreciate about these properties is the refrigerator, microwave, and coffee maker in the room. Makes things super easy, especially when you're traveling with families. And then this particular hotel is in such a great location, beautiful surrounding area, but you can also walk or drive to so many things. There's a Cracker Barrel literally next door. And then if you go the other direction, there's the mall, a movie theater, so many different choices. So really great location for that. And again, we find these to be really well kept and modern hotels. They take really good care of you. This property especially seemed really clean. The staff was really friendly. As you can see, has all of the normal things that you might want. I like how this one had its own separate room for the bathroom. You've got the shower and bathtub combo. And anyway, just an overall great property. Again, they serve a great breakfast, which really makes it worth it because our whole entire family could eat for free while we stay. So that makes a big difference too. So here's a peek at the Fairfield by Marriott Salt Lake City Hotel property here in Layton, Utah. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.